Hello, Alex McDonald here, and I'm so excited that you found my YouTube channel and that you're watching this video. If you're watching this video, you may know me and you've been expecting this major announcement that I'm about to make. Really excited to share this news with all of you, and I'm really excited for what the future holds. I'm always striving to do better and to create a better life for myself. I'm always trying to soar higher, like that book back there says, that book that published back in October. And the announcement I got to make, that I get to make, is that I'm starting a new job on Monday. I'm leaving the RV factory and I'm going to Grody Automotive, and I'll be a part of the A team doing business development, and eventually I'll move into sales. So if you need a nicer, newer ride, you can go to fredforthepeople.com, and starting on Monday, I'll be able to give you a phone number where you can call me and I can book you for an appointment, and we'll help you out, get you the car that you want, get you a better price, and overall great customer service, because that's what I'm all about. I'm all about serving others. I got to make this video quick because I got cookie brownies in the oven. I'm gonna be celebrating with my friends at work tomorrow, my last day there. I got some fun things planned, and I have to say that working at Rev RV Factory in Decatur was such a great experience. Met a lot of amazing people. I could probably spend the next hour naming off people that I became friends with, that I love and respect, and really enjoyed being around for the last year. And it was a great opportunity for me to support my family, and we got through some tough times of 2020, and I did it while I was there. It was a great experience, and actually did this exit interview, and I'm going to post that in my blog, so you can go to apostlealex.com and you can check out that very descriptive exit interview if you're curious about what that looks like. And I hope that doesn't offend anybody that is a part of that company. I just want to help that company be better, do better, and help all the employees have a better environment. So you can click the link down in the description, apostlealex.com, or you can just type that into your browser and you can read that exit interview, and then stay tuned for, there might be some videos floating around online of what I do tomorrow, Friday, last day at the factory. And what I'm really excited about, get to throw those old boots away, get to throw away all those clothes that are covered in flooring glue, and I get to start Monday wearing professional clothes, nice shoes, and smile and talk to people, speak the language of excellence all day long, and serve others. But a couple other things, we're still really passionate about the Life platform. Got the shirt on right here. The mirror thing throws me off. So I can feel it. So I don't know why I always, we're still passionate about the Life platform and helping people save money, get cash back, travel discounts, amazing products, and overall just blessing them by taking down the financial matrix, add an extra $1,500 a year to your budget. So if you're interested in that, let's book a time to get together and we'll show you all the information. It's real simple, real easy to use, and I think you're going to love it. And we're also working on cultureshiftchallenge.com. We expect the preseason to be launched within about 6 weeks. Mr. Timothy McClure, shout out to you, doing such a great job on that. iDaydream Studios doing such a phenomenal job creating that website. And we just added a friend of mine named Nate to the team, and a bunch of other people are coming along board. But what we're looking for now is the artists to get on that platform. Go to cultureshiftchallenge.com, create a profile, and get ready for season 1, because we're going to have a competition for artists. They'll go head to head, competing against each other, and it's going to be amazing. So make sure you go to that website as well. Go to fredforthepeople.com, and we'll get you in a nicer, newer ride. I love you guys. Oh, by the way, my YouTube channel is going to be upgraded because I hired my friend Brian Lee, and he's going to be doing some phenomenal work on this YouTube channel. And I guarantee you we'll be getting in some rides and showing you some of those cars. And we're going to continue to try to add value to your life and help you become the best version of yourself. I love you guys. I'll see you at the top. So I'll see you real soon. Bye.